Whether you're a mobile videographer or any social platform influencer, having a tripod that can also be used as a selfie stick can come in quite handy. And today, we've got such a versatile selfie stick tripod that is claimed to be the world's first tripod with MagSafe compatibility. It's called the Andobil MagStick. So, what makes this stick so unique and keeps it stand out from conventional smartphone tripods? In today's video, we will be reviewing the Andobil MagStick to find out its pros and cons. So, without further ado, let's get into it. First, let's check out what we have in the box. Inside of it, you will find a packet containing 2 metal rings and the stick wrapped around with a plastic cover. The MagStick certainly feels pretty premium on hands, and the lower part comes with a textured finish that ensures a perfect and smooth grip. Besides, it also feels pretty sturdy when the phone is attached. And attaching the phone is also pretty convenient. First, its MagSafe is very strong and can firmly hold your iPhone or any other device or case with MagSafe compatibility. For further protection, this tripod comes with one-click clamp design that instantly lets you hold your smartphone with a click of a button. So, even if your phone doesn't have MagSafe, you can still use the MagStick as a traditional tripod. MagStick is built for one-handed operation, weighing just around 650 grams, and it gives you complete flexibility for capturing your desired shots. You can rotate the mount 360 degrees for the perfect angle, or even go 180 degrees both forward and backward. And the best part is, you can pull and extend the MagStick for a massive 63.5 inches selfie stick. So, if you're taking a group selfie, you'll be able to fit everyone in the frame. Furthermore, it can be propped up and used as needed by content creators so they can get the height they want without any hassle. And carrying such a long tripod stick isn't difficult at all, as it can be folded to 12.3 inches for instantly fitting into your bag. Nevertheless, to make your selfie taking experience even more amazing, the MagStick comes with a Bluetooth remote controller. All you have to do is connect it with your smartphone and click selfies conveniently. But hold up, that's not the end. You can use the MagStick as a tripod for your smartphone as well. So, if you want to capture stable shots or time-lapse videos, this stick can come in quite handy. All these features make the Andobil MagStick a must-have item for smartphone photographers. It comes with a stable grip, extendable selfie arm, and convenient Bluetooth remote, making it more than just a conventional tripod stick. How much did you like the MagStick? We would love to hear from you. Please let us know in the comment section below, and as always, thanks for watching our video. Like and share with your friends if you find this video helpful, and subscribe to our channel if you want more videos like this on your feed.